Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. So Aquarius people, this is your current energy, Knight of Swords. You are being very energetic, you are being very you are being somebody who is taking actions rapidly. I don't know why. Okay, you feel that if you miss this chance, you won't be able to get this chance ever again in your life. So there is something which you have a fear to lose something, or you have a fear to lose someone. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm feeling with this card. Okay, so that's why you just want to reach at that particular destination or towards that particular person as fast as you can. Okay. On the other hand, your person, the High Priestess. Aquarius people, your person is hiding something from you. They are definitely. And what they are hiding is, I don't know what they are hiding. They must be hiding new plans from you. They must be hiding a new beginning in their life from you. Something is there which they are hiding from you. They don't want you to get or get to know this particular thing or this particular expansion of their life. Okay, so something is there which your person is not able to or is not comfortable to tell you. Okay, now let's see what do you think about your person, what they think about you, and what actions they can take towards you, and what actions you can take towards them. So what do you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, what actions they can take towards you. Abundance. You see them as somebody who has blessed with lot of abundance in their life, lot of prosperity. They are someone who born with a silver spoon in their mouth. Okay, they are someone who has every blessing of the world in their life. Okay, so yes, on the other hand, your person thinks about your innocence. Your person thinks about you that you are somebody who is very innocent. Okay, they see you as somebody who anybody can make you fool, anybody can take advantage of your innocence. Okay, so you are someone as per them who is very innocent. Okay, now let's see what actions you can take towards them. Is completion. I think that you are running towards your person because you want to finish or you want to complete something. I'm seeing a very good sign in this because it is a sign of completion. Perhaps you want to complete this relationship with them. Perhaps you want to propose your person. Perhaps you are, running towards them with a marriage proposal or something. Okay, because this is the reason you have got this card, completion. And what actions your person is taking towards you is control. Okay, your person is controlling something or someone. It could be you, it could be their emotions. So they are master in controlling things. And the way this person is hiding something from you, it seems like they are controlling you. They want you to come towards them. That's why they are hiding something. It means some way or the other they have that power to control you. So they are being very controlling towards you. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's the future potential? Knight of Wands. I'm seeing a celebration here. Okay, I'm seeing a party here because I feel that your person who is hiding something from you, okay, or that's why you are running towards them. It is some sort of party, it is some sort of celebration is happening from their side towards you. And yes, that's what I'm seeing. Perhaps they are happy that you have taken a step towards them. Perhaps they are also going to take a big step towards you. Okay, so I'm seeing this action energy in future. Okay, So Aquarius people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with that too. We have air sign, sorry, we have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading, and some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also. Alright, okay. So Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.